What we need to talk about are graphs of functions, how those graphs of functions, what they turn out looking like. Well, let me just start with a couple of graphs of functions. We'll talk about different ways we can graph functions, but let's just start with f of x equals 2x minus 5. F of x equals 2x minus 5. Hopefully, you recognize that function right there. We called it y equals 2x minus 5. Remember, f of x is just, now it's a replacement, a different way that we can talk about y values, f of x, y equals f of x. So this is the same, this would have, I'm talking about the graph of this here. This would have the same graph as y equals 2x minus 5, because f of x is now what we're calling the y value, given it a name of our function. Yeah, y equals 2x. What do we know about y equals 2x minus 5? What type of graph is that? What is y equals 2x minus 5? What form is that? Wouldn't that, it's a line, yeah, it's slope-intercept form of a line. This is now just in function form. So this is called a linear function, we'll call it now, because it's in the form f of x equals mx plus b. Yeah, we can read right off of, if it's in this form, we can read the slope of that line, and we can read the b, which is the y-intercept of that line. Same deal. The m here is 2. And the b is negative 5. And so that basically tells me what my line graph is going to look like, doesn't it? So if I graph this thing, all right, so the b is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept's negative 5, so it's going to cross the y-axis at negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so negative 5. We've got ourselves a little y-intercept there. All right, then our slope is 2, and if we interpret that as rise over run, that's 2 over 1. And so I'm going to rise 2 and run 1 from that point, from the y-intercept point. So I'll rise 2 and then run 1, and that puts me at another point. And I could keep doing that, but 2 points is enough to determine, since I know it's a line, it's a linear function, it's a line. There we go. There's our graph. So, and we'll talk about some other types of functions that we will need to recognize here in a second, but a linear function, we already know, hopefully anyway, we recognize that shape, what the graph looks like. So it's now just f of x equals mx plus b, or g of x, or whatever the function name is.